Did you buy your Ford Bronco to look good, or did you buy it to actually go out in the desert and perform? You know, we build really good looking trucks at Battleborn Off-Road, but they can't just sit pretty. They've actually got to come and perform. And what better place to test the performance of this Bronco build on the Fox Proving Grounds. With just a few modifications, like the ones here, you can transform that grocery getter Ford Bronco into a real off-road performance machine. So we just wrapped up round 3 of modifications on this Ford Bronco. About a year ago, the customer had come to us wanting to add a better suspension, a little more power, and some bumpers and lighting. We went to ADD for the bumpers and filled it with my favorite, Rigid Industries lighting. Next up, the suspension. This Bronco is equipped with the Baja Kits long travel system with Fox 2.5-inch coilovers front and rear. I love the Baja Kit stuff. You know, that's developed from the guys over at Brenthel who run a trophy truck team. So this suspension has a lot of desert development built into it, and it takes this Bronco to the next level. From there, obviously you have this big wheel and tire package. We've got a 39-inch BFG KM3 on a Method 305. It's a 17-inch wheel. So with these big tires and this latest round of upgrades, the customer obviously wanted more power. You know, 39-inch tires, this whole wheel and tire package weighs over 100 pounds, and it definitely made the Bronco a little bit more sluggish. So on this latest round of upgrades, we changed all that. At the center of the build package is the Garrett Power Max turbos. These drop-in factory replacement turbos feature a billet turbine wheel, and it's a ball bearing turbo, which gives you better spool up and more top-end power, flowing upwards of 40% more air than the factory turbos. Those are fed by an entire suite of AFE products. With the AFE Momentum GT intake and the Blade Runner boost tubes, we've opened up the intake side, smoothing out the air path and getting rid of any of the turbulence causing corrugated plastic that comes on the factory system. To keep things cool, we've got a CV Fab intercooler along with a CSF radiator and transmission cooler. You can push this truck hard all day and all night, and you're not gonna have any issues with overheating. Reliability is key. In addition to that, we threw in an SPD thermostat, opening at a lower temperature, which helps keep things cool, especially on those slower trails. On the turbine side, we have a set of SPD downpipes. These are catted, so it should pass smog with no problems, and that helps get all that exhaust out the back, allowing for quicker spool ups and faster response. On the end, we've got a Borla catback, getting all the exhaust out the back. Not only does it look good, it sounds great, and it just fits that high flow performance package that we put on this Bronco. With all these modifications, tuning is the most important thing. While these turbos do work with the factory tune or the Ford ProCal, we didn't want to just settle for that. We wanted more. So we got a Cobb tuner, and we reached out to Goose Tune to come up with a custom tuning package for this that maximizes performance. This vehicle should be making almost 700 horsepower, which is more than enough to spin these 39-inch tires. Battleborn Off-Road sells and installs all the parts you see on this vehicle. If you have any questions about your build, please reach out to us, or you can check us out online at battlebornoffroad.com. We'll see you on the next one.